how to change your Walmart account password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your walmart.com, and then from here what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. Simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll actually be able to see sign in, tap on it, add in your credentials, make sure you're logged into your account. Then you'll get into the dashboard. From this dashboard, again, tap on the menu bar right here. From here, what you're going to do is keep on scrolling, and in here you can see account. Simply tap on that account, and then from here you will actually be able to get into your personal info. Right from here you can actually tap on the gear like icon right here, get into the settings, where you'll actually be able to find your contact info and password. Tap on that one, and then from there you can see password. Or what you're going to do is simply tap on edit right here, and then all you need to do is add in your current password and then type in your new password, then tap on save, and just like that you'll successfully be able to change your Walmart account password. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.